My hobby is table tennis. I study at class 5 minutes.
Okay, so you're in class 5.
I Triton Primary School. I live in Luyện town.
So can you ask him some question?
Yeah, so because you said you study art, right? What is your favorite color?
It's black and red.
Red, brown, red?
Black and red.
Black, red, okay. And what do you like to draw?
A dragon.
You like drawing dragons, wow, okay. And movies you like to see? What type of movies do you like?
I don't like movies.
Okay, you don't like movies. That's okay. Well, thank you so much. You were very brave. Thank you.
Okay.
Miss Teo, my name is Phản. I'm 10 years old. It's last Friday in Triton Primary School.
Very good.
Hello, Miss Teo. My name is Luyện. I'm 10 years old. My hobby is playing badminton with my friend.
I'm sorry, what is your hobby again? Can you say it again?
I hobby playing badminton with my friend.
Okay, you like badminton. You like playing badminton? Is that what you said?
I'm in class 4C at Triton Primary School.
Smile.
Yeah.
Thank you. My name is Thiện. My hobby is watch live stream of esports.
Did you say my hobbies are watch cartoons?